Hey guys, welcome back to Wolverine Gaming, and today is the day 3 of season 3 on my server 1051 and alongside the servers. So if you are from starting season 1 servers, then you should must watch this video as it's about genetic recombination. So if you go to the season one option in here, you can see genetic recombination is now unlocked and it will be valid till 47 days. Okay, so if you open it, you can see there is a some fragments in here. We have like 6 of them and you need all 6 of them to recombine it, and you can get the rewards. Just click on the question mark button to see those rewards. You can see guaranteed rewards are like 1k of crystals, which is will be 78, and you can see chance to gain extra. You can gain legendary rewards, epic rewards, rare rewards. Like you can see the percentage of them: 46, 16, 38%. And in simple language, it's like a treasure, hidden treasure. Okay, so you just like the hidden treasure in secret command post, you can just like exchange in here. You can also exchange in here. You have to get those fragments like 1 to 6, and you can click on the exchange button in here. If you don't have those, you can exchange by selecting the you will get in here and you will lose in here. Select those, like you want level 1, so click on level 1, and if you have those extras, you can exchange them with whatever you want from here, and just initiate exchange. Okay, and click on the exchange button and the allies will help you to exchange it. And you can see also alliance exchange in here. You can directly exchange your fragments from here and recombine. You can see we can recombine up to 30, but there is a time limit for +1 recombination each time. So let's start recombining it, and we can see we are getting lots of good rewards from here. You can obtain many good rewards from here every time you recombine. So every +1 recombination will take some time. After you level up, it will be increased along the way. So you can see we are getting lots of good. So now you need like empty pieces from here, so you can exchange with your allies from here if you have those extra. Okay, so that's how you can get lots of rewards in season 1 from genetic recombination. So I hope guys this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more season related videos. Thank you.